Have you ever handed someone a paper business card only to wonder if they'll ever look at it again? I'm going to show you how to create a digital business card using AI that not only looks professional, but also tells you exactly who's viewing it and where they're coming from. We'll use AI to quickly design your card and then host it online with a QR code that you can put anywhere, on your physical cards, on your email signature, even your LinkedIn profile. And here's the best part. You'll see real-time analytics showing you which connections are actually interested in what you do. Let's get started creating our digital business card. I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate a simple HTML business card. I'll type in, create a modern digital business card in HTML for a marketing consultant named Sarah Chen. Include contact information, social links, and a professional design. Perfect. Now ChatGPT has given us this clean HTML code with everything we need. Let me copy this and save it as an HTML file, and we can preview it. It looks great. We've got a professional layout with contact information, social media links, and a clean design that works on any device. You can also use Canva or any design tool to create this as a PDF if you prefer, but HTML gives us a little bit more interactivity. Now, here is where it gets interesting. We need to get this online and trackable. So I'm going to use TiinyHost. I'll click upload, and here is the key part for a business card. You want a memorable URL. I'm going to set my link name as Sarah Chen, or you could use your company name or whatever is most memorable now. I'll drag my HTML file, and right before I hit publish, let me show you something cool. If you want to control who sees your card, maybe for exclusive networking events, you can add password protection. But for a business card, we typically want it open, so I'll leave it with no restrictions and click publish. Now that the file is published, see these options down here? I'm going to click QR code button, and this instantly means we have a QR code for our business card. Now watch this. I can download this QR code and put it on my physical business cards, my email signature, or even display it at networking events. Imagine you're at a conference, and instead of fumbling around with paper cards, you just show your QR code on your phone or have it on a sticker on your laptop, and people scan it, and boom, they have all your information instantly saved on their phone. Now here's the real game changer, folks. Click on analytics. Now obviously mine only shows my own test visits, but imagine after a networking event you can see exactly how many people checked out your card and when they viewed it, and even where they're accessing it from. Pro tip, you can create different versions for different events. Use Sarah Tech for tech conferences, Sarah Marketing for marketing events, each with their own QR code and analytics, so you know exactly which events bring the best connections. That's how you create a smart digital business card that actually works for you. If this helped you level up your networking game, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.